What's up, guys? Real quick, I just wanted to share with you something that's super exciting. In the back office of Builderall here, Liam's funnel is now an open funnel, meaning that anybody can actually utilize this funnel. And it's actually way simpler than it was before to utilize this funnel. So this is the viral funnel that's actually won Liam a new Mercedes, or $32,000 is the cash value actually is what he took. So in order to get to that open funnel and many other funnels, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Builderall business. You're going to scroll down here. You're going to go to Money Making Funnels. And then what you're going to do is click your category, Open Funnel. Scroll all the way down here. This is your link. Simply all you got to do is copy and paste this link and share it. Whether that be solo ads, anything like that. Facebook groups, those are huge, free, viral traffic is the best way to go, because you can actually communicate with your customers or your potential leads. So you can click here also how this funnel works. Bad example, looks like that's not up and working right now, but the link here, if you click here, basically what happens is once it loads, you're going to be taken to the actual funnel here. Secure your spot. Once your customer / lead goes in and fills in this information, they become a lead to your back office, and then they can actually go to the next step where they'll be take it to and get hopefully set up with the Builderall business account. So let me know if you have any questions. This is super awesome, super exciting news. So let me know if you need anything. I'm here to help. Also, I will provide you, once you join my team, a 130-day email sequence as well. So again, thank you so much. Alright, then also real quick, I just want to show you the process once your potential lead has clicked the back office, and then they go in to create their account once they've clicked the secure spot. So you click that, fill in the information, have an email address, password. So what it's doing now is actually creating your back office. So then all you got to do is watch this video, and then you click Begin Challenge, and then join the $1 Million Challenge Facebook group as well. So then you click here, Step 1. So this step, you watch this video, watch Liam, and then you're going to click the buy button. So what this is going to do is take you to the step where you actually go to the checkout. So at this point, you're going to want to choose how you're going to pay. So again, it's $49.90 for Builderall business basically. Once you've done that, you're going to click the redirect, and then at that point, you're actually going to be able to unlock step 2, which you're going to actually be able to download this exact funnel in your back office. Let's see here. So you got to complete step 1 in order for it to happen. But like I said, once you've made payment, that's when you're going to have full access to the actual sales funnel and then the perfect traffic. Basically, it's Liam talking about how to get good traffic to that, and then there's tons of bonuses, tons of different funnels that Liam actually puts on. So again, let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to support you along your journey. Thank you so much.